Are you looking to take your business skills to the next level using the power of AI? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you how ChatGPT is totally transforming key areas of business in 2023 and beyond. From market research to product development, smart executives everywhere are leveraging the immense capabilities of AI. We'll be diving into the top plugins that can provide tremendous value across 4 main categories: market research and analytics, sales and marketing, product development, and business strategy. I'll give you a high-level preview of the game-changing plugins in each space. Before we jump into the video, make sure to stick around until the end to find out how to get access to our limited access ChatGPT prompting course. Let's dive in. First up, we have Directual, a revolutionary new AI-powered plugin that allows you to instantly turn any idea into a fully functional web application or website. This amazing technology can save you months or years of development time and costs. Here's how it works. You simply describe your desired application or site in natural language. For example, you could say, create a no-code online shop with the Directual plugin. Directual's advanced AI will generate all the necessary code and infrastructure to turn your description into a working prototype. Within minutes, you'll have a functioning web app or site built just as you imagined it. The AI handles everything, creating the visual interface, database schema, APIs, back-end logic, and more. It's like having a whole team of expert developers at your fingertips. Directual allows rapid validation of ideas and business models. Now you can launch a minimum viable product in days instead of months, and you can iterate easily as you refine your offering. The capabilities unlocked by Directual are limitless. Whatever you can dream up, this revolutionary plugin can build for you almost instantly. It's the future of development and puts creation power in anyone's hands. So for any founders looking to get product to market, this plugin may be for you. Next, we've got Avian. Do you ever wish you could just ask an AI assistant to analyze all your marketing data and spit out valuable insights? Well, that's exactly what the Avian ChatGPT plugin allows you to do. Avian connects ChatGPT to all your business data sources like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, Instagram Insights, and more. It enables ChatGPT to instantly generate detailed reports, compare metrics across time periods, identify trends and opportunities, and provide recommendations to improve performance. For example, you could ask Avian to analyze your top Facebook ad results over the past month and highlight your best performing ads and target audiences. Or you could have it compare website traffic sources quarter over quarter in Google Analytics and summarize the key changes and takeaways. The depth of analysis Avian enables would take a human analyst weeks to compile manually, but Avian can generate it in seconds. And the best part is the insights are customized to your unique data, not generic advice. So if you want to leverage the immense power of ChatGPT to unlock transformative insights from your marketing data, Avian is for you. Next, we've got Clay. Now, if you're like me, you rely heavily on your professional network for things like finding new connections, gathering intel on competitors, and researching potential partners or clients. But let's be honest, trying to dig through your LinkedIn or email to find that one specific person or interaction can be a total time suck. That's where Clay comes in. With Clay, you can have natural conversations with ChatGPT and easily pull up info on specific contacts across all your platforms. For example, you can say, Clay, show me all my first connections on LinkedIn who work at company X, and it'll instantly generate a list for you. Or you can ask, Clay, what's the last email I got from John Smith? And it'll pull up details from your inbox. I don't know about you, but that kind of on-demand access is an absolute game changer for me. Some other things Clay can do: search for contacts by location, company, when you first connected, keywords in their profile, and more. You can combine filters too, so the searching capabilities here are really robust. Overall, if you're an entrepreneur who spends a significant amount of time networking or managing your contacts, Clay is a must-have plugin. It makes accessing info on your connections so much faster. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. Next, we have Craftful. Have you ever struggled to design a user-friendly product that delights your customers? Well, the Craftful ChatGPT plugin is an absolute game changer for product development. This ingenious AI tool provides insights into the best practices for product management. In just seconds, you can ask, what are the best practices for user testing? It'll immediately start generating expert recommendations to develop a user testing framework. Need to design an intuitive e-commerce checkout process? Craftful gives clear, actionable advice to optimize usability and boost conversions. Want to create an engaging mobile app for kids? Craftful provides tips tailored specifically for building safe, educational children's apps. The benefits go way beyond saving time and money. Craftful enables you to build products that truly resonate with users by incorporating insights derived from millions of top product gurus. If you need help refining your product, this plugin is definitely for you. Next, we've got Speedy SEO Marketing. Have you ever found yourself spending hours researching keywords, writing blog posts, and trying to rank your website, only to be frustrated by slow results? The next plugin we're covering is called Speedy SEO Marketing that can automate and optimize your entire SEO process. With Speedy SEO Marketing, you can instantly generate highly relevant blog posts extremely fast. No more guessing keywords or doing tedious research trying to find search volume data. This plugin leverages the power of ChatGPT to rapidly understand your business and propose optimized keywords for your target audience. Speedy SEO can auto-generate full blog post ideas, outlines, and even entire articles optimized specifically around ranking for those terms. Rather than slaving away writing content yourself, this plugin creates search-friendly posts for you in just minutes. The key is that it incorporates keywords naturally while keeping the writing engaging. And with just a few clicks, you can spin up unlimited blog content on virtually any topic related to your business. This is game-changing for consistently publishing blog content that drives organic traffic. On top of that, Speedy SEO analyzes your existing pages and recommends improvements like adding alt text, boosting keyword density, fixing technical errors, and optimizing meta descriptions for better click-through rates. It acts like an SEO expert looking over your shoulder. No more guessing at how to improve your pages or blog posts. This plugin gives you specific SEO advice tailored to each page, powered by state-of-the-art AI. So if you're ready to reach more customers, drive more traffic, and rank higher in search results, Speedy SEO Marketing is an absolute game changer. The time and money it'll save you is incredible compared to doing all this SEO work manually. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless, and this plugin unleashes its potential for your online marketing and SEO success. Finally, we have BrandFetch. What if you could instantly research unlimited fresh branding ideas and assets with just a text prompt? Well, now you can with the game-changing BrandFetch plugin for ChatGPT. This tool enables you to effortlessly retrieve logos, color palettes, fonts, taglines, and more associated with a brand by simply entering a company name or domain. Imagine asking for brand data, including logos, colors, and fonts for McDonald's. In seconds, it's on the page in front of you. The bottom line is, BrandFetch lets entrepreneurs turn imagination into reality with ease. And in business, being nimble and rapidly testing ideas is crucial for staying ahead. So if you want a competitive edge, be sure to get BrandFetch in your arsenal. I hope you found this video useful. It provides an overview of some incredibly useful tools for any aspiring business owners. These AI tools provide tremendous strategic advantages across the key areas we covered: market research, branding, product development, and strategy. If you're still with us and want to learn more, we're about to launch a brand new AI newsletter, which will cover all the new and exciting things happening in AI, highlighting the latest tools and plugins we hear about. As an additional bonus for our first few subscribers, we'll also throw in early access to a 5-part mini AI chatbot prompting course. We've been using AI since before it came out to the public and have learnt through trial and error the most effective ways to prompt. By using our methods and secrets, you can become up to 32 times more effective at prompting and getting the result you want every time. Check out the link in the description for more information. Remember, we're your #1 source for all things AI, so make sure you subscribe to stay up to date. Let us know in the comments what amazing things you did with AI tools this week. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop us a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.